Kingscliff Sales and Rentals. This time again we're taking our office drone out and we're doing a flyover of Bamberry Street, and in particular showing you the position of number 18 Bamberry Street in Fingal. Here's another drone's perspective with Cook Island in the background, and Fingal Lighthouse also can be seen, and the property here is circled. As we go into the property itself, presents really well, available for rent furnished or unfurnished. Lounge area off to one side, enjoying river views. And here's the layout of the property. Beyond the lounge is the kitchen and dining room, and up the set of stairs to the right is the main bedroom. We'll show you that in a minute. Kitchen C, stainless steel bench tops, gas cooking. Dining area off the kitchen, and from here we'll go out onto the front deck where there's a large table and chairs. Main bedroom as I said earlier, on the top level. It's got river views as well, river and ocean views actually. Ensuite bathroom with shower and toilet and vanity. Then going back downstairs, the living room is the second bedroom. And adjacent to that, the third bedroom with two small beds. Also on this level is the main bathroom, massive shower, vanity as well, separate toilet and study and laundry. And on the lower level, there's a large lock-up garage. Our last video here is taken from Fingal Headland, taking the office drone up once again for a bird's eye view of Fingal Head, showing you the beach on one side and river on the other, and in the very distance there is Coolangatta. For more details and viewing times and set for viewing this property, please call Kingscliff Sales and Rentals 0266 745 888. Email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au, or for more photos and information, visit the website.